the past 5 years, Dent Wizard has been working to bring the most efficient solution to cosmetic reconditioning available in the market. That solution is called Frontline Fast. Dent Wizard Frontline Fast program is the only one that is nationwide, backed by over 2,000 technicians, and supported by Dent Wizard's limited lifetime warranty. Dent Wizard has one simple goal for our Frontline Fast program, and that is to serve our customer. The Frontline Fast program allows us to serve our customer in a multitude of ways, but the main being vendor consolidation. What we do is we bring in our own staff of talented individuals that will work solely on their job responsibility. So PDR, paint, interior, deodorization, wheel, headlights, glass, and even keys. So what that does is it reduces the amount of vendors on the lot for any specific dealer. The average across the country is about 6 vendors per dealership for cosmetic reconditioning. By bringing those under our umbrella, we not only utilize the speed and efficiency, but the quality control aspects of having that many different pairs of eyes working for the same company for the same goal of your seamless cosmetic reconditioning. The setups that you're going to see in this video series for our Frontline Fast can be scaled up or down depending upon the specific space constraints of your dealership. We know not every dealership is built the same. The location that we're shooting at today is a 300 used car a month store in a major metro. So what we've done is we've brought in our operations team to implement the best solution for this specific dealer, and we'll do the same for you. This location has on-site air compression, fire suppression, eye wash stations. We bring in our own paint mixing board, our wheel truck, our key truck. All of these implementation factors are done at Dent Wizard's expense. The only infrastructure expense to the dealer is running the electric to allow us to power our equipment. Thank you very much for spending a few minutes with me learning about our Frontline Fast program. The important takeaways, number 1, are vendor consolidation, your speed to market, number 2, and number 3, we can scale this program up or down to fit your specific space needs and your specific volumes. So what I'd ask you to do is, if you'd like, reach out to your Dent Wizard representative or give me a call anytime, and we'd be happy to help you.